been over 12 years since Liu Lei came to Yinggeling all the way from Heilongjiang. Now he's the head of the reserve's management station. At only 23 when he first came here, the harsh conditions here and the tedious work almost pushed him to the edge.
我也是有过动摇的，因为我刚来的时候，我不太适应这里。另外一个干的活不是很满意，开始给你们统计你们的鞋码，统计你们的尺寸，然后单位连个电脑都没有，手写手抄。
Although Yinggeling has done a lot in providing a safe home for wildlife in recent years, Liu still thinks it's not enough.
对野生动物的保护呢，我觉得还是不够的。
Liu's concerns has been shared in Beijing.
因为这次两会呢，我带来了好几个与保护野生动物有关的议案。私下里捕获、屠宰、交易野生动物的，都有可能构成犯罪。这样的话，我们的公安在打击起来才有法可依，才有力度。
But for the Li ethnic group, who's been hunting and felling for centuries in Yinggeling, keeping their hands off the animals and the plants could threaten their livelihood. Staff of the reserve has been exploring ways to help them.
我们英格岭周边社区的百姓都是很纯真、很淳朴的，我们会尽我们的所能去帮助于我们一些社区朋友，进行一些扶贫啊，以及进行对他们一些生活上的一些改善。
Zhu Wei is bringing new empty bottles to a beekeeper they have trained, hoping that they could sell the honey with Yinggeling's name on each bottle. Zhou said that the reserve, rich in plants, is a perfect place for beekeeping. Liu has something else on his mind.
在青山的时候有这么大的铁夹，这种大铁夹自己做不了，所以这个市场呢，也是野生动物保护的一个关键。 但是我们保护区的力量呢，又管不到市场。我们的辖区就在我们的保护区周边，市场人家都在乡镇或者这个县城。
Zhu responded by saying when implementing the law, communication and cooperation between different departments is crucial. Fu Mingkai, a forest ranger, is also worried if the old habits of hunting will return after the pandemic is over.
所以呢，我们要通过宣传和教育通过教化，让我们在全社会真正确立一种文明、健康、绿色的生活方式。
Education has already been part of a community worker's job, and they have started from kids. Zhou Wei and her team took some primary students into the wild to explore plants and other wildlife. A small quiz seems a must after every class. Nature brings rain and sleet. They are giving their protection in return.